Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, BubblePOP here. On today's show, we are going to be opening and looking at the brand new Smooshy Mushy collector's fridge.
Yeah, your Smooshies, go to cheer.
I actually made a Smooshy Mushy fridge. This is like a collector's fridge to show off your Smooshies, kind of like an organizer. It's not for play food. I guess you could use it like that. You can make it like a little squishy store, but it is so detailed and super cute. Let's take a look at it. And besides opening up that collector's fridge and taking a look at it, we are also going to open some brand new Smooshies. These are so cute, you guys. We got a YOLO Froyo, a Smooshy Mushy Creamery ice cream cone, and a brand new Series 4 Smooshy Mushy Cup and Cakes. This is brand new, you guys. The company sent it to me, and I cannot wait to open it and see what it looks like. Now, also going to be opening the little ones, these tiny ones. These are also brand new, you guys. They're Series 4, and we're going to be opening a Munchie, a Sweetie, and a Snacky. And be sure to stay tuned to the end of this video because I am going to be organizing my Smooshy Mushy collection. Here are all the ones I've collected so far. We got the little baby one, we got some from the bento boxes, and we got all the little besties and the Snackies. They are super cute. We're going to organize and put them in the fridge. Look at this! On the back of the package, it shows you the fridge opened and exactly what it would look like once you put all of your Smooshies in there. You can put the little containers, the big ones, and the small ones. Oh, and I did not even realize this, you guys. This fridge actually comes with an exclusive Harper Seal Smooshy Mushy. It's like a limited edition.
It comes with a bonus sticker sheet. That's amazing.
It's finally time to open this baby up. Let's see what the inside looks like. Totally looks like the inside of a fridge, and it's super boring to like put all your squishies in a box when you can display them like this. They look like food and you can put them on the little shelves in here. So here is what looks like a limited edition Smooshy Mushy Harper Seal. This is so cute, you guys. It's like a little seal. It's got some jello on its head and some whipped cream, and it is ultra squishy. It smells good too. Unbelievable addition to the collection. Look at this, it comes on a red keychain. This is giving me like winter vibes. I don't know why. Probably would go in the freezer section, and squishy to the max. Ugh, love that. Another little Smooshy to add to the collection. We're gonna pop that in there later. Take a look at the stickers that came with. This is so super cute. They are adorable. Look at this. There's like a little bear eating bacon, a little drumstick. I think they'd be cute to like decorate the inside or outside of the fridge. Stickers on the front. They almost look like little magnets. Too cute. And over here at the top of the fridge, we got the chillin' tray. This is so cute. I love the blue color. And seriously, it looks like an ice cube tray, but it isn't. What it is actually a little organizer for your little ones. Little Smooshy Mushy besties and munchies. They fit in here perfectly. You could display them. Look at that little corn dog I have. Little pizza. And so many more fit inside. Let's pop them in. It is so super cute. It's like a perfect size storage container for these. And we got our little corn dog, little pizza. I love this little donut. My absolute fave though is this marshmallow. It is super squish. And we still got a couple extra spots. I think these little cuties will do the job. We can actually open them and store them in there, add to the collection. So the first one is a Series 4 Bestie Munchies. So cute. It's got like a Chinese food on there. It looks like some mac and cheese. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like the cutest one I think I've ever seen. Look at this little red keychain. It's like a Chinese food takeout. Maybe there's some ramen or some rice in here. That is adorable. At first I thought it was like a marshmallow. Unbelieves. Squishy. Let's go for the snacky. Let's see which one we're gonna get. This looks like some spaghetti, little soda cup. Ooh, look at that, it's like a burrito. Let's see. We got this little one right on the package. This looks, I don't know you guys, I think it's a bottle of hot sauce. It's got a little chicken on there. It's gotta be hot sauce. Maybe it's ketchup. A little sweetie. Ooh, this is gonna be dessert. That looks like a Jell-O mold. Ooh, look at that, it looks like a milkshake. This one, it looks like a milkshake covered with a cookie. It's got a little straw. So cute. And I forgot to tell you guys, these smell so good. They smell, I don't know, like maybe fruit punch. They're like fruity scented. Our chillin' tray is all filled up. They're chilling together. Let's pop it in the fridge. Back to the fridge. Okay, so we filled the top. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3 separate shelves. You could store the Smooshies, you could store the little containers. I think I'd store the containers. They look super cute. And over here on the side, there are these little compartments. They actually pop out. And look at that. You can actually show off your Smooshies. You can just stack them. I think maybe 3 or 4 will fit. And there's 2 of these. I'm super curious, are they gonna fit? So I got this little cutie right here. I think this was from the Doodad Donuts. Really, really squishy. So we'll pop that at the bottom. Smush it right on in there. This little one is an owl from the cupcakes. These are from the new cup and cakes. Really, really squish. And I'll pop that in there. From the looks of it, I don't think you could put 4. Let's try this one from the Froyo. It was like a unicorn. I think it's a color change. Smush that on in there. Kind of interesting. I seriously think you could fit 4 if you smushed them on. That is too much. Look at that. So you could pop it right in the front. So when you close it up, here are what they look like. Wow, look at that. That's how the Smooshies are displayed. This is the picture. It really works. Let's pop this one on out and fill it up as well. We did it. We filled the entire front windows of the fridge with our little Smooshies. We got 4 in this one and 2 in this one. Time to fill the inside. I have this little panda. This one is super similar to the takeout one we got earlier. It's so cute. It's from the bento box. I'm gonna put that right at the top. This little hot cocoa one from the cup and cakes. This would actually fit really good at the bottom. Look how cute that looks. I opened these brand new blind bag ones. We got a Series 2, a Series 3, and a brand new Series 4. Let's open them and put them in the fridge. Start with the YOLO Froyo. We got this red one here. Let's open it. It looks like a little slushy. It definitely doesn't look like Froyo, but it is so super cute. Okay, so twist it off. Woo! And we got the goodies. Our little surprise bestie. Our Smooshy Mushy. Look at that. Little panda. It's so super cute. It's got like a little Froyo on its head. It does have the cherry. Let me smell. And it smells like cherry, like a cherry pie. How squishy that is. Oh, I love pandas. My favorite. We get our little collector's guide. Adma Panda, from the YOLO Froyo. She is so super cute and squishable. She's got a little hook to hang the keychain on. And we get this little mini cup, of course, for your keychains. Got like a pink and red. And for the bestie, let's see. Cherry Chica. Look at this. I thought it was a little tomato. Look at this little cherry. This thing is so soft. It's so slow rising. It smells like cherries. It's on the little keychain. I love these. This little sticker. So I'm gonna pop that in here, put the lid on, and put this little Froyo container right next to the cocoa. It looks so good in there. Beep. Next up, we got a little ice cream cone. The Creamery. This is actually a series 3. Wow, so coming in from the Creamery, we get Miss Mimi Monkey. Look at this little monkey. She's so cute. She has a little ice cream with sprinkies on the top of her head. And she is ultra squish. Let's get her little bestie. The Robin Rainbow. Look how cute. She looks like a little ice cream bar or a popsicle. So super cute. She's got the same color ice cream. It's like purple with blue, or not blue, green and yellow. Too cute. Move our little panda to the top shelf. I think she'll fit there. And our little monkey. And place the cone right next to the Froyo. Perfect. But not least, we're going to be opening the Series 4 Cup and Cakes. Got another little hot cocoa cup. So I got a purple, I got a blue. I got to collect all of these. So super cute. Okay, so I definitely did not get a duplicate. Get a bottle. Look at that. It looks like a little coffee cup. Our little bestie and one of the cutest Mushy Mushys in the history of the world. Look at this, Miss Tabby Tiger. Wow, look at her. She is so cute. She has like a little pie on her head. I don't know what that is. I love the colors. She is so cute, little cherries. Bestie is Miss Fauna Fondant. So cute. She's like a little cake fondant. This one is so ultra squishy. I don't know why. It feels like a marshmallow. These two are just so cute together. Look at that. Aww. You also get the little keychain so you can hang them from anywhere. Look at that little coffee cup. And, of course, the matching sticker. Love it. And that concludes the show of smushiness. Oh my goodness, you guys, I don't know what I like better, the fridge or the little squishies. They were so super cute. I just want to give a big thank you to the Smooshy Mushy company for sending me some of the new blind bags. Amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you want to see similar vids, you can click right here on the left. If you want to subscribe to BubblePOP Kids, click this big bubble, and I will see you in my next video. Love you! See you guys later.